Beginner's Guide to the Rife Medic 8. How to use the Rife Medic 8 for fat burn. Beginner's Guide to the Rife Bioresonance feature. Step 1. Power up. Plug in the device using the power cable provided. Step 2. Connect the power supply. Connect the power cable to the switching power supply. Step 3. Connect the power to the Rife Medic. Connect the switching power supply to the Rife Medic 8. Once plugged in, a green light will appear on the switching power supply, indicating that the device is receiving power. Step 4. Connect the cables and electrodes. Plug in the two output cables into the white plugs on the machine. Use either both red or both black cables on the side of the machine. Do not mix colors on the same side. Connect the other ends of the cables to your selected accessory, hand electrodes, or foot plates, or electromagnetic blanket. The same color must be used consistently, so if you plugged two red cables into the machine, then plug the black ends into the electrodes, foot plates, or blanket. Once all connections are secure and color matched, you're ready to proceed with program selection. Remember, it doesn't matter whether you use red or black, just keep it the same on both ends. Step 5. Turn the device on. Switch on the unit. Press the yellow Press to Start button in the center of the screen. Please read the terms and conditions on the next page and press Agree. The main function wheel will display the below categories: Rife Bioresonance, Radionics, Shield, Energy, Body, Charm, Diagnose and Nature. Step 6. Rife Bioresonance Selection. On the main function wheel, click on Rife Bioresonance, then on Select. You will be taken to the Program Selection screen. Program Selection and Operation Guide. Here's how to select and run your first Rife program on the Rife Medic 8, using the Fat Burn program as an example. Step 1. Selecting a program. On the home screen, select the Program button. Then tap Search if you already know which program you'd like to run. In this video, we are demonstrating the Fat Burn program. Step 2. Searching for your program. In the search field, type FAT, then press Enter. The screen will display all programs that contain the word FAT. Step 3. Finding it faster. To scroll faster through the list, click on the Z button with the downward pointing arrow to jump through the alphabet. Once it reaches the letter F, tap repeatedly on the search term FAT to scroll through all related programs until you reach Fat Burn. Step 4. Adding your programs. Select the Fat Burn program or any others you want to run. Click on Add Selected in the top right-hand corner. Repeat this process to add more programs as needed. Tip: you can combine multiple programs if the total run time is under 1 hour. If a single program is longer than 1 hour, run it by itself to avoid exhausting your body. Step 5. Final setup before running. Once all your desired programs are selected, click on Exit to return to the main program screen. You'll now see status, signal intensity, selected programs, runtime and frequency selection. Step 6. Positioning your electrodes. Now choose how you'd like to receive the frequencies. Foot plates. Place bare feet flat on the metal plates. Hand electrodes. Hold one rod in each hand. Electromagnetic blanket. Place over or under the area of focus on your body. If you're using the electromagnetic blanket, remember to double the frequency intensity setting. Step 7. Running the program. Click Run to begin. Adjust the signal intensity to a comfortable level. A setting of 40 to 70 is ideal when using hand electrodes or foot plates, depending on user preference. For the electromagnetic blanket, use an intensity of 60. You might not feel the signal strongly. This is normal. Do not increase the intensity just because you don't feel it. Step 8. Pausing or stopping a program. To pause, press Pause at the bottom of the screen. To resume, press Run again and reset the intensity to your original level. To stop a program, completely press Pause, then Stop. Step 9. After the session. Once your programs are done, select Exit, then Exit again to return to the main screen. You can now safely switch off the device. Important safety reminder: do not allow the foot plates, hand electrodes or cables to touch each other while the machine is running or switched on. Ensure all cables and accessories are correctly color matched, for example, both reds into the machine, both blacks into electrodes or plates. Contact us for more information, or if you'd like us to make another video on how to run a specific program. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos.